Belka and Strelka, the first surviving space dogs. In August 1960, two dogs named Belka and Strelka made history by traveling to space aboard a Soviet spacecraft. They stayed in orbit for a full day before safely returning to Earth. This made them the first living creatures to survive a space journey. Their successful mission boosted the confidence of Soviet scientists, leading to the first human spaceflight less than a year later. Long before humans ventured into space, animals were sent on test flights. In the early years of space exploration, scientists launched various animals including mice, monkeys, and dogs to study how space travel affected living beings. The United States primarily used monkeys and chimps, while the Soviet Union preferred dogs. Stray dogs were chosen because they were easy to train, adapted well to small spaces, and had strong bonds with humans. The selection process for space dogs was strict. Scientists looked for small dogs that could fit inside the spacecraft. A team of researchers searched the streets of Moscow, measuring stray dogs to find the right size. Only female dogs were chosen because their waste disposal system was easier to design. Out of 60 selected dogs, only a few underwent special training for space missions. Training was intense. The dogs went through medical tests, spent hours in space suits, and were placed in small cages for long periods to prepare them for space conditions. They were also trained using centrifuge to experience the strong forces of a rocket launch. Special sensors were attached to their bodies to monitor their health during the flight. Scientists decided to send dogs in pairs so they would feel calmer. The first attempt on July 28, 1960 ended in tragedy when the rocket exploded, killing two young dogs, Chaika and Lishika. However, just 18 days later, another pair of dogs was prepared for launch, originally named Vilna and Calpia. Their names were changed to Belka and Strelka to sound more appealing to an international audience. On August 19, 1960, Belka and Strelkas were launched into space along with a grey rabbit, 42 mice, 2 rats, flies, and several plants. At first, the mission went smoothly, but once in orbit, the dogs stopped moving. It was only after Belka vomited that both dogs became active again. Video footage from the spacecraft shows them barking and moving around, while medical data confirmed that they were calm. After 25 hours and 17 orbits around the Earth, the spacecraft returned. The landing was successful, and when the capsule was opened, both dogs were alive and well. They were sluggish and had no appetite at first but soon recovered. Their survival made them instant celebrities. Their images appeared on stamps, postcards, and televisions. Strelka later gave birth to 6 healthy puppies. Belka and Strelka lived the rest of their lives comfortably at a research institute. Both dogs lived to old age. Today, their preserved bodies and flight equipments are displayed at the Museum of Cosmonauts in Moscow, reminding the world of their history journey into space. If you like this video, please comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.